Hi, I'm Ronak Trivedi. I'm here in Laziza Hut as it is my case study for operations management. And I have Mr. Kamran here with me. How are you doing, Mr.
Hi
Kamran?
Ronak, how are you? Good?
Thank you so much. Is it alright if I record your interview?
Yeah, no problem, you can.
Would you like to tell us something about your organization?
Basically our organization is a food organization. We go restaurant and it's Indian cuisine, and mainly we focus on European and Asian and all type of customers. Our main focus is on Asian customers, and we do vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes, but our main preference is non-vegetarian dishes.
Would you like to tell me about the working structure, like working style? How many people do you have under you and sections? And is it like a hierarchy or the flat structure?
It's just a flat structure. We have 15 to 20 people working, and everyone working on their own departments.
Alright, thank you. Would you like to tell me something about the dining hall? It's like a huge dining hall.
It's 40 by 20 square feet, straight dining hall. 60 people can sit easily.
Alright, it can accommodate 60 people at a time, yeah?
At least 60 people easily fit in there.
Okay. Would you like to tell me how many customers do you serve in a day, like approximately?
350 to 400 customers.
And
Per
sometimes
day.
it's up and down. And
Mainly on weekends they increase more.
yeah, weekends. What do you expect from each customer? How much do you want them to spend?
It depends on the customer how much they want to spend.
Yeah.
Some customers spend £5 to £6. Some customers they're spending power actually.
Yeah.
And we have all type of customers spend any amount,
Yeah.
but mainly £5 to £10 each customer.
That's the average you expect.
That's the average each customer spend in our restaurant.
Okay. And as CSR, like corporate social responsibility, is one of the buzzword in the market. So, would you like to tell me something about CSR your corporation is doing, or you thinking to do about it in future?
We do recycling. We use we do cardboard pressing. We use energy saving lights. We use the equipment that save energy. We use polythene instead of we use cardboard recycling. We use polythene bags instead of the other bags. We try to save as much as energy, as much as the environment. And
Yeah, actually, I noticed like you have the sensor lights everywhere.
Yeah.
So was it your decision, yeah?
This is our decision to save energy. It's very good for as well as green prospect, as well as our business needs, and we have less energy, the cost is less, so we maintain our cost to get high profit.
Alright, thank you so much for that. And do you have you done any experiments in past, like do you plan and go ahead with your strategies, or you just do the experiments and you learn from them?
We change strategies according to the time and time.
Yeah.
We do experiment with different dishes.
Yeah.
We using different type of spices to change the taste of the dishes. Nowadays we done experiment on black pepper and pav bhaji. Our black pepper strategy is good and is selling very nice, and the pav bhaji actually failed. So we always give different type of food, different type of strategy we use to change our taste. We use different type of spices, so to change every time. Not every time we give the same taste to every customer.
Yeah.
So we just give them a little change so they feel something is going new in the business.
Thank you. And would you like to tell me, like, is the experiments which you do, are they like high cost involved in that? Or?
We as far as our customers spending power, we don't do high experiment,
Yeah.
like a high money involved
Yeah.
experiments. We do some kind of cheap experiment, so as well as the cost is low and the customer get better taste
Yeah.
in a better price, the one they can afford easily.
Yeah. What about when it comes to the high involvement of capital, like introducing a Chinese food? Was it like pre-planned and everything?
Basically, it's been a long thinking behind the plan, and we try to give the dishes the Chinese dishes. The cost is very high, but we try to keep it low so we can give the customers a new taste. So they just came out from the Asian taste to come to have a taste the better Chinese
Yeah.
taste. So every customer have their own taste, but some people like Chinese, some people like Indian. But we always focus customer on for customers. So we think the customers are our priority. We give them a best price so they can come back to us.
Yeah. Actually, I have noticed that the food portions which are available here are really big as compared to the other shops. Is there anything like any thinking behind
That's the
that?
business strategy going in our brain that we have a lot of comparison going on with the shops. The market is very tough at the moment,
Yeah.
so we try to give better price. We try to give better portions so 2 to 3 people can serve easily in one portion rather than one portion eat by the only one person.
Yeah.
So it's low competition going in the market. So we try to build our customer, not try to make customers unhappy so they don't come back to us.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Kamran.
Thank you.
so
Thank you
Thanks
so
a
much,
lot.
Karna. Have a nice day.